Hello, let's start with the first product called Tera-Sect Rolling Lizard. Even though this RC toy won't teach you anything special, it'll keep her restless child, and replace several other toys. The secrets of the Tera-Sect Lizard is that it has two functional positions. In the upright position, it rides like a normal car. When backed, though, it starts to roll like a wheel and successfully overcomes obstacles and stairs. The price starts at $18. Our second product is HHD H6. We're willing to bet that the next product will grab your interest. Passionate fans of RC toys, why? Well, because it relieves you of the agony of having to choose, as it combines two toys in one. The HHD H6 is a motorcycle which transforms into a drone in seconds with a couple of manipulations. The wheels of the vehicle arch at the same time, the propellers of patro. The advantages of the hover do not end there. HHD H6 is equipped with a high-quality camera that takes photos and record video, images, transmitted in real time via Wi-Fi to the owner's smartphone. Some of you might think that this feature is meaningless because it's impossible to get a sharp image from a moving non-professional trailer, and you'd be wrong because the developers have given with drone the ability to hover motionless in the air. Would you seeing the vibrations 20-meter height? The device is controlled with the special remote controller. Well, again, with the smartphone for that tree.it has enough power for 8 minutes of flying or 15 minutes of riding on the ground. The range of controller is about 30 or 50 meters. The price is about $57. Now the third product is Power Treads. Let's go back to the RC cars. Most of them share a common drawback: limited mobility. They can only drive on smooth surfaces and get stuck if they accidentally run on the bare ground or grass. Power Treads is a toy. That's an exception to this rule. Its unique shape gives the machine amazing cross-country mobility for its size and wings over all types of surfaces and playful overcomes obstacles. This means that you can create obstacle courses for it. The cost is $30. Next, fourth product is Silverlit Robo Chameleon. If your child dreams of having a pet but they're not quite ready for it yet, a good option is to give them a robotic animal like this Silverlit is a very cute toy chameleon that changes the color of its back and crest, sticks out its tongue to move objects but pick up special tokens that are used as food. The price is about $40. Today's last and fifth product is Hog Stunt Shot. Let's finish this video with another amazing radio-controlled car. As you can see, the main feature of Stunt Shot from a Hawk, so its huge soft wheels. First of all, they allow the vehicle to overcome obstacles and get into the most unexpected places, and secondly, to do it without damaging the furnitures and all people around it. Stunt Shot doesn't leave behind any scratches even if it moves on delicate surfaces. The cost of the AirHog is $25.